Hello guys, this is Dota Gaming, and today I've prepared a very nice video that I think you guys will love. We're just going to be testing the limits with Scratch and Infinity and see what Infinity can do. So first, the most important, we're going to have to make Infinity. So we're going to just go ahead and drag when the flag is clicked, then a variable, and we're gonna set infinity to or then we're gonna drag the subtraction and 1 divided by 0 because 0 can go into 1 an infinite amount of times. So like if you're gonna give one child 0 pieces of a portion, how many portions would they get? Infinity. Now we're gonna see if it worked. Oh, we dragged the wrong one. It should be divided, not minus, sorry. 1 divided by 0. Let's try that. Infinity. Now it equals infinity. So first we're going to test infinity minus infinity. So, oh, it's NaN. Well, we'll get to that later on in the video. Now let's do infinity minus 0. 0. And that equals infinity like it should. Now, if we switch those around, it should equal negative infinity, but it might not. Yep, it does. So now we're going to do, can we create infinity without using a method like up there? So we're going to do multiplication. We're going to make this a very large number. So just continue holding that for a while. Now put it in here. Okay, and we're gonna duplicate that. And right now it does not equal infinity yet. Hopefully it will after. Finish messing with it. It's not going in there. Lot going on here. Just trying to fit it in there. Screw it. See if it works. Not really sure. Nope. Watching me fail on camera is probably not very satisfying. Okay, so what? It's not working. Probably making a huge mess. Let's just drag that over here. Oh. Yeah. Should be going in. But it's not. Let's just redo that. Maybe we just broke that. Okay, it should be infinity. No. Maybe let's just make it a little longer. Yep, there we go. Infinity. I think the max is 300 E plus or whatever, which means a 1 with 300 zeros after it. So we hit that. Now we're gonna do something where we just have a equal or boolean and then a minus, then put infinity in here. So we're basically going to see infinity minus a huge number. Does it equal infinity? So let's just spam the 9 button. And it does, which doesn't make much sense, but a lot of things don't make much sense anymore. Now, let's try to find the length of infinity and whether it'll pick up on the word infinity or the actual variable. So it looks like it picks up the word. So there are 8 letters in infinity. Next up, we're gonna use the function mod, which basically is the same thing as division. So I'll just drag division in there. And we're gonna put infinity into them. So infinity in them. And what mod basically does, it divides the two and calculates the remainder. So that equals nan, or nan, and that does too. So we're going to drag those up there, and we're going to experiment with nan later. Now, we're going to do infinity plus infinity. Just change what it's doing to plus, and it still equals infinity. So now let's change it to multiplication. I really think this will be nan. Oh, I guess not. It's still infinity. I bet if we did a bunch of infinities like this, and we just dragged these in here and did this for a long time, bet we'd eventually get nan if we did that long enough, kind of like we created infinity with using 9s. So now we're going to do if infinity can make nan, but can we reverse that? So can we do infinity divided, or no, 1 divided by nan, because nan technically equals 0. Will that equal infinity like it does here? So if we drag this into there, will it equal infinity? So if we drag the variable, will it equal infinity? Yes, it does. So there's one successful thing that Scratch is able to do. So now I'm going to explain what nan stands for. It stands for an undefined value of data. And now we're going to see what the limits of that are. So what's infinity plus nan? So we're just going to use that as nan instead of making a new variable for it. So drag that in there. And it equals infinity. Now we're going to change it to multiplication. So does infinity multiplied by nan equal 0 because 0 times the number equals 0? Or does it equal something else like nan again? And it looks like it equals nan, which means 0, but not really sure if it does. Now we're going to do infinity minus nan. So technically it should be infinity, but we're not sure. And it does. So Scratch, it's actually able to do some more things. So now we're jumping back to infinity for a quick little bit, and this one's really gonna be cool in my opinion. We're just going to pick random, use this. Infinity is gonna be at the top, and negative infinity is gonna be at the bottom. So to make a number negative, you can't directly make a variable negative, so you have to put a 0 minus that number in a variable. So it equals NaN, of course. Maybe if we do it again, it'll equal another number? Nope. Guess not. With infinity, it's somehow very tied to NaN and 0. We've never gotten any other number, which is kind of weird. So that's all the time we have, and that wraps it up for today. And I just want to say that unfortunately, instead of posting one video a day, we're gonna have to cut it down to one video every other day. But other than that, thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.